How much does door installation cost in Jacksonville? Let Koehler Home Improvement guide you. At Koehler Home Improvement, we understand that replacing or installing a new door is not just a home improvement, it's an investment. How much will it cost to install a new door? It's a smart question, and we believe you deserve a clear and honest answer. The cost of door installation in Jacksonville can vary significantly based on several factors, but homeowners typically spend between $546 and $2,375 for an exterior door installation. If you're installing a simple, standard front door, you might pay closer to $230, while a grand custom-designed double door with sidelights could cost as much as $6,000. For interior doors, the costs are much more modest. Most installations range from $167 to $229 per door, offering an affordable way to update and refresh the look of your home's interior. Sliding glass doors, perfect for bringing more Florida sunshine into your home, typically cost between $740 and $864 to install. Meanwhile, a sturdy and stylish storm door installation can range from $186 to $680, depending on the features you choose. Materials also play a crucial role in pricing. Steel doors are among the most budget-friendly options, starting around $150, while fiberglass doors, valued for their energy efficiency and durability, can range up to $3,000. Elegant wood doors, prized for their timeless beauty, usually start around $500, but custom designs can drive the price much higher. Labor is another important factor. In Jacksonville, labor rates for door installation typically fall between $30 and $90 per hour, depending on the complexity of the project. A straightforward replacement of a standard door is much quicker and less costly than a full-frame replacement or installing a door in a brand new opening. Any additional features, like smart locks, enhanced weatherproofing, or decorative glass panels, can also affect the final cost, though they often add considerable value and curb appeal. At Koehler Home Improvement, we take pride in offering not just expert craftsmanship but also full transparency. When you work with us, you'll receive a detailed, easy-to-understand estimate up front. We walk you through all the available options, help you choose the right materials for your needs and budget, and ensure that there are no hidden surprises along the way. We understand that upgrading the doors in your home is about more than just a number. It's about security, beauty, energy efficiency, and increasing your home's overall value. That's why we approach every project, big or small, with the same commitment to quality and customer satisfaction that has made us a trusted name in Jacksonville home improvement. If you're ready to replace your doors and want a company that offers competitive pricing without sacrificing quality, contact Koehler Home Improvement today. Let's schedule your free consultation and help you take the first step toward a more beautiful, secure home, at a price you can feel confident about. Cheapest door installation? Contact us today. Visit the link in the description below for more information.